Florida Statute Section 784.03 defines battery as intentional touching against another's will, a first-degree misdemeanor. She punched me in the face. Invokes Section 776.012 self-defense. Section 776.041 eliminates that for the initial aggressor. If Ashley started the fight, her response was not legally protected.
Are we done? Ashley!
Put in cuffs. Hey,
Put me in cuffs. Put me in cuffs. Take me to jail.
we're done.
Emily, pick me, belt me out, because I didn't do shit. No, I didn't. What did I do? Give her my phone to my sister. Give my phone to my sister. Don't touch my shit. Nope.
Come on.
Y'all are a piece of shit, bitches.
Alright.
I didn't do shit. I'm getting arrested.
Relax.
Why am I getting arrested? Can you explain?
You see how you're acting right now?
I don't care. She fucking punched me in the face.
Because you don't know how to act. That's the problem.
Good. Then take me to jail.
Alright.
I'm fucking 21. Take me to jail. I don't give a fuck.
Good.
Take me to jail.
Goodbye.
Just say, oh, I'm sorry. He's gonna put your cuffs to your front. Okay? So just put your feet under. There you go. No, under. Thank you. You're all right, honey. You're all right. It's all right.
Oh
All
my
right.
god.
It's okay. What's
I'm not
Anderson. I'm sorry, Anderson, right? Ashley Anderson. Yeah.
Why do I need all this?
Because the cuffs are going to go in the front, which is a
He's
lot
gonna
more
put the cuffs
comfortable.
in the front for you, okay, Ashley?
You don't make them tight. The guy
You got
They
it.
will not
You
be
got
tight.
you.
They will not be tight. That's
Remember,
why
I
we're
loosened
on
them
front.
for you. Remember?
Yeah, but
You're all right. As long as you're respectful, he's gonna take great care of you, and so is the jail. All right? You'll be okay. You'll be okay. You can take this towel.
Take them off.
You can take this towel as my gift to you. All right?
Yeah, those are on sideways.
Oh wait, not yet. That's what it was.
Yeah, those are on sideways.
That's what it was. Okay. But remember, whenever you deal with police,
They're really loose.
he didn't deserve corroboration.
I know.
Can I have it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get you sit down. I'm gonna throw it on you.
This is where I sit.
Yeah.
Oh, you okay? You okay? She's all right.
Yeah, it's nice and cool.
Here you go, hon. Here you go. Okay. Good luck to you, Ashley. Okay.
So Ashley, before you get out, we're going to have an orange suit for you.
Okay, Ashley. Good luck to you, Ashley. Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Anderson, Ashley.
So your phone.
Officers A-. Cuffs to front, towel as gift, compassion throughout. Ashley C. Self-defense under Section 776.012 has merit if she was not the initial aggressor. 2 takeaways. First, Section 776.041 bars self-defense. For the initial aggressor, she hit me first is not enough. Second, cuffs to front and a towel are officer choices. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.